Yo, Flare and Songbird fam, if you're holding or dropping NFTs, you know the struggle. IPFS links go dead and your art disappears. My collection is happily living on AllThing.app, and right now it's the only dedicated NFT marketplace still fully standing on Flare and Songbird networks. AllThing.app is doing all kinds of stuff. Let's check it out. I really love the main page. You can see a bunch of the different collections. I like the black backdrop. And we can see that there's still some collections holding on it. Some of these I definitely recognize from over the years. This marketplace was built by a day one community developer who's been grinding with the Flare and Songbird ever since launch. He helps out many people in the community. Trade, you can make offers on the site. Best part is there's automatic media verification using their own NPFS Tarlo, Tarlo.app gateway. Every NFT is getting checked at least every 7 days, and it shows very clear statuses. If it's been verified, if it's stale, it's expired, or it's unavailable. Thumbnails are also cached, so you can still see the art even if the original link flakes out. It's nice to see some real transparency before you buy or sell. Consider switching to the Tarlo app. The flat rates start at just £5 a month for 10 gigs or unlimited bandwidth with no hidden egress or per request fees. The NPFS provider you're using now is probably going to be more expensive than going with this route. Your media is going to stay reliably pinned, and it works seamlessly with the All Things verification, so your listings stay verified and trustworthy. I know that there was hundreds, if not thousands of hours put in the art that was created and is still listed on here. I actually use both AllThing.app for trading my collection and Tarlo.app for pinning my own NFTs. It saves hassle and money while keeping the ecosystem's art alive. So much work in here, and you can see it. It's beautiful. I'll put the link in the description for the AllThing app and the Tarlo app. Much love. See you later.